Welcome back to the channel. My name's Richard. This is my old dump trailer that's been sitting around for quite a few years.
It's not supposed to come out this way. Yeah, that's a problem. I've done a lot of repairs on it, and what happened last time is this. The hinge couldn't hold it anymore and it just slid to one side. So the entire bed was on the ground next to the trailer almost, and so that's when the cylinder kind of popped out of place. I didn't pay anything for this trailer, it was free. We found it at the farm after we bought the place. I've repaired it a couple of times. I had to change just one hose when we found it. I changed the cylinder hydraulic hose. I've used it to transport all of this stuff and also the area behind the workshop and a couple more things as well. That's not too bad for a free trailer. I should have done a better job at welding that. You know, ideally I would like to have it able to raise the bed so I can use it as a dump trailer.
Let's have a look at that trailer. Should probably put the windshield in. Let's do that first actually. The windshield is just held in place by these. That bolt right there is actually loose. Let's see if we can do something about that. You think it's 30mm? We can make do with that. See if we can get that trailer over in this area. I think we'll just use the excavator, maybe just drag it by the tongue. We'll have to raise the bed to get that cylinder out. Just for a little bit of safety. We missed it. Oh well. There's quite a bit of oil in that cylinder. So what I think I'm going to do now, I'll lift this bed up and then I'll get the cylinder mounted to where it's supposed to be. I'll try to center the bed on the frame as much as I can. Let's just try it without this chain. we're getting somewhere. We need to move that cylinder so that it sits right. We missed the cylinder again. Let's just try to lift it up a tiny bit, and then I'll see if I can use that pipe again to kind of get it where it's supposed to be. That's the cylinder, as you can see. Oh yeah, nice. And there's a problem right here as well. This angle iron is supposed to overlap with this, but it's been bent so it hits this one. That should be excavator repairable, maybe. Oh, not like that. There we go. Let's try to get it kind of in the center. I have the bucket on the bed just to put some pressure on it before we weld anything. I'll clean this up with the torch. I'll weld a plate over here, strengthen it a bit, do that on the other side, and attempt to use the dump feature. If it doesn't work, I'll just weld it as a flat bed. Let me give you a close-up of my beautiful work here. I don't think it'll win any beauty awards, but if I'm lucky, it holds. All right, look at that. All welded up, beautiful welds. Anyway, let's give it a quick test. Well, it doesn't go all the way down because it's binding on something, but that's fine. It'll go all the way down once you put a load on it. Well, that's it for this video. I got it working again, I think. Maybe. We'll have to try it out. But it does go up and down now. The cylinder is leaking a little bit where those damages were. That'll probably leak more once you have a load on it. We'll have to properly test it. Next up, we are going to take this trailer where I have all my rocks and stuff. We'll put a load on it and we'll see how it goes. I have some repairs that I need to do on the road, on the tractor road. What I'm going to do is try to use this trailer to repair the road, to transport rocks and stuff to the road. And of course use the excavator to level it off and stuff. So hopefully the old trailer will do the job. We'll just have to find out. Up next.
Growing up, I was a weird kid. See, no matter what I ever did, all the normal guys would never quit poking fun at me. Mama tried to make me regular. She said the Lord above was testing her, as I grew more and more peculiar, unashamedly. When people say that I'm a strange duck,